Okay guys, here's what I got. I got a tote here, and I got my neti pots, and I got my air pump, and I'm going to make a hydroponic system. Well, you know what you guys, everybody's done this, or not everybody, but most people have done this, and they find that it's pretty tough to do because you got to change your nutrients, you have to change your pH, you got to do all this funny stuff, and I've decided that that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to automate this and make it really cool. Okay, and these hole saws, they make your job a whole lot easier, I'm telling you. This thing here, this puppy, goes right through. Look at this, look at this. Look at this, see? Drops in. Okay, this is a bulkhead fitting. And if you want to know what good it is, put your valve in here, like so. Mount it onto your tank. It's quite useful. Okay guys, here's what I got. I got an Arduino, pretty cool. Basically, you can do anything with an Arduino, and they're pretty cheap. They're about 30 bucks or so. And basically what I did is I mounted it to a board like this. Okay, and I slid the board in up front here so I can access it. This is a telephone jack, which goes to my nutrient dispenser. These puppies are about all three I would say about $100. They're kind of expensive, but what can you do? I've got a solenoid valve and I have a float valve. So what's going to happen is, essentially, when it's time to change the nutrients, the pump will come on. That's just a submersible pump. We'll drain the tank. This will open up, fill the tank. These will come on, give me my nutrients, and my float valve will shut off the water when required. Now, this is on a timer too, so we don't have water leaks. Everything you see here is done with Moretz. There's nothing complicated, nothing crazy. Very simple. I don't even have an on and off switch. You don't really need it. And I've tested it. It works. I think the pump is a little underpowered. I might get a better pump. But yeah, that's what it is. And I'm going to put it together, and it's pretty cheap, and it seems to work so far. Oh yeah, one other thing. I went with these because I picked them up for about $3 at the electronics store, and they're pretty cheap. I wanted to go with an internal power supply, but the problem was I needed two different power supplies. These pumps here run at 24 volts, and the Arduino, well, you can get like anywhere from 9 to 12 volts, so you basically need two different supplies. So I wanted it all internal, but then looking at the added cost, the added work, the added whatever, I decided that this will work fine, and seems to work fine, so that's staying there. The other thing is I got an optical relays in here. I bought a set of 8 for about 20 bucks. I started building relays and then realized that it's cheaper to just buy them already made. They plug right in and they work great. So if you're thinking of doing this, I would suggest get the optical relays, and they're supposed to be a lot safer too. Anyway, I'm going to do more of this videos when it's more built. Thanks.